Kumusta po ang
Welcome to Wear to the Costume
2017 para
Party
sa
with
mga miyembro ng,
Conference.
kung ang pag-usapan ay negosyo, mga miyembro ng ECOP, sir?
Maganda naman ang
Maybe.
ang naging
We better find our last Blue's Clues. So, we're trying to figure out what I need to
Sarili-sarili
feel
na lang,
better.
Dahil po, may-ari. Kayo po ba,
What was our first
ano
clue?
bang partikular ang negosyo po ninyo?
A spoon,
Sa airline,
right.
may aeroplano po kayo?
And now we have a bowl. So what do you think I need to feel better? With a spoon and a bowl.
Pala, no.
What do you think I need to feel
okay po
better?
ang negosyong may kinalaman sa aeroplano?
You know, I think we need to find our last Blue's Clue. A grandfather clock. So, we need to figure out what Tickety's favorite nursery rhyme is. And our first clue is the number 1. And now, our second clue is a grandfather clock. We really need to find our last clue.
What was the first clue?
Merong ibang pwedeng mapagkunan ng pera na hindi galing sa
Oh,
buwis.
tea.
Para ho sa mga
And
infrastructure
now, our
project.
second clue is Joe's present. What can we do with tea and Joe's present to finish getting ready for the surprise party? Good thinking. But we need to find one more clue.
So, who could Blue want to add to our painting with the color blue and the color yellow?
Yung portion lang po na may
Good
kinalaman sa
thinking.
petroleum at coal. ang
Let's find our
inaalala
last
po
clue
ninyo.
and see.
What
was our first clue?
Ay, kayo ba hindi natanong pa?
The color red, right?
Marami kasi kaming science.
Now our second clue is round shapes.
Magsalita,
So,
diba? Lalo na
What
dun
kind of
sa
plant could Nero be?
formulary
Color red
committee,
and round
mga
shapes.
scientists mga yan.
Do you know?
So, pinag-uusapan nila yung
That's a good
formulary
idea. But
executive committee.
we should probably find one more clue.
Kami namang
So, what was our first clue?
Dapat ba doon na binuhos lahat
A cookie, right?
Mahigit sa 3
And now our second clue is a scoop of ice cream.
Well,
So,
sabi nga ni
what dessert
Senator Gordon,
Could we
hindi
make
naman
that has a cookie?
minamaliit yun
and a
sa
scoop of
pera.
ice cream?
Kaya, ganun nga pati
Maybe,
nga yung sa ano,
but
sila
I think we
yata
better
yung
find our last clue.
minamalayan pa na sa
We're trying to
Bengue,
figure out what news Blue wants to write about.
mas grabe.
And our first
Sabi
clue
nila yung grabe,
was crib.
hindi naman yung nakakamatay o
And our
nagiging
second
ano.
clue is
Pero,
Africa.
para sa amin
So,
sa science,
what news could
grabe
Blue
pa
want to
rin
write
yun.
about
Kasi ang
with
criteria nila
crib and Africa?
ay yung mga na-hospital. Pag hindi ka rin, na-hospital ka di yung mga na-hospital, siyempre, mas hindi pa nagkakaroon ng
What was our
dengue.
first clue?
Sila yung pwedeng magkaroon ng ano,
A stage, right?
severe dengue dahil
And
napakalaman
now our second clue is periwinkle.
Ang problema, hindi mo
What do
alam
you think's
kung
gonna happen
sino-sino sa
on the
kanilang
patio?
magkakaroon ng ano,
The stage,
severe dengue.
periwinkle.
So, nasa isip ngayon ng lahat ng magulang niya, ang anak ko kaya,
Now that's an interesting prediction.
10% o nasa 90. Kung nandun siya
Let's
sa
find our
10,
third clue. So our first clue was numbers.
Oo, nagkulang sa surveillance.
And now our second clue is lines.
Ngayon lang lumalabas yung mga klase ng
So what did Blue want to get at the store? Numbers and lines.
So dapat sinusundan na yan nun eh. Yun ang pangako sa atin. ng
Maybe,
Sanofi
but
nung
let's find that
sinumulan
last
nila
clue
itong
just